Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, Anne.
Hi, Miss.
How are you? Wow, I am very happy to see you today.
You.
because babe, Anne, it's hard, but because my schedule is very full, and then Miss Le asked me my free time. So I am happy we see each other again. My God. Yay. So Anne, how are you today? What is it?
Hi, thank you, and you?
Yes, I am very happy seeing you actually. Because you're very smart, so it will not be hard for me to teach you today. Okay, so they told me that we're going to have listening and speaking only because you're very good in other parts of English already. So we will be talk discussed more on listening and speaking. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. Is that your brother? I can hear someone. I can hear a baby. Hold on, hold on, baby. Hold on. Okay. So I am requesting the admin in Pansado to have a Zalo group with us so that every class or every lesson that we will be having, I will put it in our Zalo group, okay? So, do you have a Zalo ID? Kindly,
Yes, I have.
okay? Or Zalo ID. Okay. So I will add you in our group. I will request the admin to add you in our group, okay?
Yes.
So hold on, let me download our lesson. So we will, because we're done with the demo on listening. So right now we will be having test one, cat speaking, okay? And of course, Anne, I want you to feel comfortable in our lesson, okay? Just be happy. So if you have any questions to me, don't be shy, okay?
Yes.
Because that's my job to improve your English skills. So again, welcome to our class, and Teacher Leia is very happy to see you.
Yes, me too.
Yes. Okay. Now let's start our lesson speaking. So this will be, I think this lesson will be very easy for you because we will be having more on talking. Okay? Ready?
Yes.
Can you hear the sound, Anne?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So our lesson, okay, let's start our key English test one, speaking test. So again, this will be we are going to have 8 to 10 minutes. So I will be the one. I will ask you some questions. So we will be just having a conversation. Okay. Okay. So there are two parts of the speaking test. short questions and answer between you and me. So you have to answer the question in complete sentence, Anne, okay? So the part two is I will give you some information or a card with some ideas for questions. And then we're going to talk about that topic, okay?
Yes.
So whatever comes to your mind, you can express it, okay? Let's do it. So the speaking section is worth 25% of the total score. Very easy. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Look, Anne, you can speak as much as you can with me, okay? And of course, we're going to practice the rule or the goal for this is you have to answer questions about your daily life or daily routine, okay? Practice giving information about yourself. Oh, I will know you better. Okay. Part 1, student examiner interaction. Okay, so I will ask you some questions. So, can you tell me what is your full name?
My name is Paul Win Anh.
Yes. Where do you live or where you come from?
I come from Vietnam.
Okay, yes. And I come from the Philippines. Okay. Okay, so baby, where are you particularly in Vietnam? What city do you live in?
I live in Ho Chi Minh City.
Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. So, before we go to the next one, can you tell something about Ho Chi Minh City? Because what if I want to go in Vietnam? What words or what can you describe Vietnam so that I have an idea when I will go in Vietnam?
In Ho Chi Minh City has a lot of people, and you can travel to many places. In
Wow.
a beautiful place.
Right.
Example for um
Beautiful places in Ho Chi Minh City. Like
um
what places in Ho Chi Minh City? Give me one example.
theater.
Oh, okay. Because you mentioned that Ho Chi Minh City has a lot of people. Like Hanoi, right? Very good, Anne. Okay. So look at the popular topic that we can discuss. So let's discuss first. Let's try to read it first, baby. Music. What what topic would you like to discuss? Music, traveling, past experience, sport, work, family, cinema and TV, shopping, personal interest, reading, future plans, education. What topic would you like?
I like traveling
Wow. Okay. Can you tell me where had you been before the pandemic or before the virus? Where had you been?
I
Had you been into
I
Vietnam, other places in Vietnam? Dalat.
I want to traveling to Thailand
Wow. Why? Why, baby? Why do you want to travel in hot Thailand? Bangkok?
because my uncle he lives in Thailand.
Ah, your uncle lives in Thailand. Okay, that's very good. So aside from Thailand, where do you want to go? Philippines. You want to go to the Philippines?
Yes, if I can.
Well, yes. Actually, Anne, I want to go in Vietnam. I want to visit Hanoi, Ho Chi Minh City, Da Nang, and Dalat.
Oh.
Because some of my students told me that in Da Nang we can find beautiful places like a beautiful beach, right? So you want to go in Thailand? What else, baby? Where do you want to go aside from Thailand?
I want to travel to Singapore. It's
Singapore?
very famous place.
Yes, actually, Singapore is also a very clean place. Okay. How about let's talk about your favorite music. Do you have?
My my favorite music is like uh
You like?
I like music and I listen music at break time.
Do you like Korean music? Because my kids like Korean songs, even though I don't understand them. Okay. How about books? Do you like reading books? Hello? Hi. Hello? And
Really?
hello? I cannot hear you. I cannot see you. You are on stuck. And yeah, I can see you now, baby. I
I'm
can see you
sorry.
now. Hello. Ah, you are not
Like,
moving. Can you see me?
yeah, I am.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So let's talk about, do you have your favorite sport?
yes.
What is your favorite sport?
I like to skipping. I like swimming, playing tennis, but I don't know how to play tennis.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. You just learn because me too. I don't know how to play tennis, but I like to play tennis, but I don't know how. It's okay. It's there's always a first time. Okay. Or the last question, baby. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doc. I want to be a teacher.
Like Ngok. I have, baby, did you know that I have a student like you, like your age? When I ask her, what do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a teacher, teacher. Why? Why do you want to be a teacher, Anne?
Because I can teach a lot of students.
Yes, like teacher Leah. Because baby, when you are, I don't know why, when my students learned a lot from me, I am very happy with it. So, I have three kids, three boys. So, when they are still young, I am the one teaching them different kinds of lesson. Right now, they are already big kids now. So they have their own ways on how to study their lessons. So that it is I am very happy when the kids are learned from me. Yes. So what particular teacher do you like? English teacher, math teacher, science teacher?
I like to be English teacher.
Wow, yes, very good, baby. Because in Vietnam, English teachers are badly needed, right?
Yes.
And you're very good already as early as today. Practice that, baby, okay? And I know soon you will be a very good English teacher. Yay! I am very happy that you want to be a teacher. Good job. Okay. How about what are your personal interests or what are the things that you like to do? Hobbies, baby. What are your hobbies?
Um, I like
I like.
I like go shopping.
Wow! Me too, baby. Shopping. Let's go shopping. Let's because we are girls. That's why we love shopping.
Yes.
Right? Me too, baby. I like shopping. I like shopping. I like buying lipstick because I am a teacher, so I need to be presentable to you or to my students. Okay, good answer. Okay. Uh, why you like something?
I like go shopping because I can buy a lot of clothes.
Yes. Okay, we're done with the hobbies. Good job. Okay. Okay. Look at the picture. Happy Days Club, right? Can you read the information about Happy Days Club
Yes.
for young people? And Happy Days Club,
Um. Yes.
can you read them all? For young people from
A happy day club for young people from 12 to 18 years. Every Friday.
7:30.
7 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. 29 Milton Street. Thus,
Just €1 per week.
just he one per week.
Okay, what are games?
Games, music, dancing, and lots more.
Yes, okay. So with this cue card, baby, about Happy Days Club, these are the example questions that I can ask you, okay? So can you tell me, Anne, what is the name? What is the name of the card that you read? What is this all about? What's the title?
Uh, this
Happy?
name is Happy Days Club.
Yes, Happy Days Club. And when is Happy Days Club? When is it?
It's on every Friday, 7:30 to 10:30 p.m.
Okay, where?
It on 29 Milton Street.
Okay. And what are when we attend the Happy Days Club, what are we going to do or what are you going to do there?
We play game, music, dancing, and lots more.
Yes, and how much is it?
It's just
How much?
one per week.
€1 per week. Where is it? Where is the Happy Days Club? Where is it?
It on 29 Milton.
Yes, very good.
It on
Yay. So these are just this is just an example, Anne, okay? So let's go to the uh, speaking proper, okay? Do not just do not just read the cards, okay? So you have, baby, when I ask you questions, you have to answer it in complete sentence and analyze the cue card, okay? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Again, baby, what is your name?
My name is Win An.
What is your surname?
My surname is Ho.
How can you spell your name?
Ho Q U Y N H ANH.
Okay, and how are you going to spell your surname?
Um HO.
How where do you come from?
I come from Vietnam.
Do you work or do you study?
I study.
Okay. What are your hobbies and interests?
My hobby is go to shopping.
Oh, my hobbies are going shopping or my hobby is going shopping, or my hobbies and interests are going shopping and playing tennis. Okay. So baby, can you tell me about your family? How many family members do you have?
In my family, they are four people. My dad, my mom, my sister, my younger sister, and me. My mom is the teacher, but he not a English teacher. My dad a worker, and me and my younger sister is a student.
Okay. How about your
Uh,
uh baby, how about your mom? What is your mom's job and your dad's job?
she's a teacher.
She's a teacher. How about your dad?
My dad is a worker.
Worker. Wow, nice. Okay, we're done with this. Okay. This is an example. Next. Oh, we're done with this. Okay. So this is how are you going to do? I come from.
Vietnam.
Yes. Do you work or study? I study.
I study.
Okay. Okay. I'm studying in grade.
Fifth.
Baby, can you read it? I'm studying in grade. What is the name? Grade 6 or grade 5. And in what's the name of your school?
Uh, in a Nguyễn Nhật Thị Primary School.
Okay. Very good. Do you like learning English?
Yes, because I want to be a teacher English in the future.
Yes. What are your hobbies or interests?
My hobby and interest is go shopping and play tennis.
Okay. What are your hobbies or interests? Okay. Okay. Again, baby, what are your hobbies or interests?
My hobby is go to shopping.
Yeah. Go to shopping. Yes, like Teacher Leah. Okay. Because look at the example. Because it is interesting. Okay. Example, baby.
I like I like to
I
uh,
like.
I, I like to go to the shopping.
Yeah, look at the example. I love cooking and I always cook for my family. Wow, do you cook, baby?
Yes, but I cook egg always.
Okay. Family. Okay, the answer should be at least 3 sentences. Okay. Okay. What types of family do you have?
Uh, I have fam happy family.
Have 3 sentences, baby.
Um, happy.
Yes, happy. 3 sentences, baby. My family is composed of 4 people. My mother, my father, my sister, and me. We have we have a happy family. And what else? What else can you say?
Um, my family in the weekend I and I go to shopping with my family. We buy lots of things.
Okay, very good. Okay. How many members do you have? 4,
Uh,
baby?
um, um, for I have 4.
What family relationship do you have with your family, baby?
Um, I don't know relationship.
Relationship means happy, sad, uh, what kind of, are you close to your mom?
No, it's happy.
Happy, yes. Family, what are the things that you do with your family?
I cooking with my family and go shopping with my family.
Okay. Picnic, do you go picnic?
No, no, I don't.
Okay. Can you read it? There you go, baby. Can you read it? That types of family? Single parent. baby?
Yeah.
Close-knit family.
Um. mm, I have 4 people in my family. Um.
Oh, look at the family activities, Anne. Going out for lunch, dinner, watching TV, playing board game, shopping.
Um. We in my family we always watching TV together. Um. We go to shopping at the weekend too.
Yes, very good. Okay. Look at this, baby. So we're done with this. We're done with this. Let's go to the next one. What is the name of the club again?
The name of the club is Happy Days Club.
When does it open?
It opens from 7:30 to 10:30 p.m. every Friday.
What can people do there?
People people can play games, listen to music, dance, and lots more.
Where is the club?
It is at 29 Milton Street.
Milton Street. Yes. How much does it cost?
It costs us uh 31 up here, which
Yeah, very good, baby. Okay, now let's go to this one, the another keywords, baby. Okay, can you tell me what can I see in the museum?
um you can see more than 70 airplanes to look at.
Is it open on weekends?
Oh, it opens daily, 10 a.m. till 6 p.m.
How much is a student ticket?
Ticket of student is $5.
Is there a car park?
It large free carpet.
Can I buy a postcard there?
Yes, you can.
Okay, very good, baby. Wow! So, baby, how did you find our first class today? Is it hard? It's more on talking, baby.
In the first day I learned with you, I felt very happy.
Yes, me too. And I am very comfortable. I am not, don't be shy because I want you to feel comfortable to me, okay? So Anne, before we go, can you try to send me right now? I will add you in our Zalo group, okay?
Uh,
Okay. I will wait, baby. We still have time. So can you send your Zalo ID? Hold on, baby. I will ask Miss Le. Ha. Hold on, baby.
Wait me a minute.
Okay. Ah, there you go. Baby, I will add you right now, okay?
Oh, yes.
Nung, is this Nung? Is that you, baby? Look, I will. Is this you?
Yes.
Come on, baby. Did you see it? Nung? Can you see it? This one, Nung, baby, Nung.
Oh, this my.
Is that you?
Yes.
Okay, I will add you. Ah! Is that your sister? Or is that you?
It's me.
You're so baby there. You're so small and you're so pretty. Oh, I added you, baby. Kindly confirm it because I will tag you. You're so cute. I will tag you, baby. So kindly message me there, okay? Hold on, I message the hold on, baby. Okay. Baby, did you confirm me?
Um, can you read again? Mama.
Yeah. Hold on, baby. Okay, so teacher is very happy to see you today. So let's try to continue the lesson on when will be our next lesson? It will be on
Yes.
Sunday, right, baby?
Yes.
Sunday, 9 a.m., right?
Yes.
Yay! Baby, You are my only student on Sunday. Because I told Miss Leha, I want that student. I want Anne to be my student. I don't have any time in Saturday, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. Only Sunday. So they get, I am very happy because you agreed on Sunday. Okay. So, and see you again on Sunday. Okay, 9 a.m.
Goodbye, teacher. See you again on Sunday.
Bye bye.
Bye.